Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can use Oracle NetSuite for accounting, so let's get started. Oracle NetSuite is a complete cloud accounting solution that helps businesses manage their finances, automate accounting tasks, and gain real-time visibility into their financial performance. Whether you're a small business or a growing company, NetSuite can simplify many day-to-day accounting processes. Once you sign in to NetSuite, you'll be taken to the accounting dashboard. This dashboard gives you a quick overview of important financial information, including revenue, expenses, cash balances, outstanding invoices, and other key business metrics. A good place to start is by setting up your accounting structure. NetSuite allows you to organize your financial data through the chart of accounts, which includes categories for assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. Having the correct account structure makes financial reporting more accurate and easier to manage. As your business operates, you'll need to record financial transactions. For customer sales, you can create invoices and sales transactions directly within NetSuite. The system automatically posts the entries to the appropriate accounts, helping maintain accurate financial records. For company expenses, you can enter vendor bills, record purchases, and manage supplier payments. NetSuite keeps all transaction data in one place, making it easier to track spending and monitor business costs. Another useful feature is accounts receivable management. You can track unpaid invoices, monitor customer balances, and record incoming payments. This helps improve cash flow and ensures customer accounts remain up to date. On the accounts payable side, NetSuite helps you manage bills owed to vendors, schedule payments, and monitor upcoming due dates. This can help prevent missed payments and maintain good relationships with suppliers. To ensure your financial records match your bank activity, NetSuite includes bank reconciliation tools. You can compare transactions recorded in the system with your bank statements and quickly identify any differences that need attention. When it's time to review business performance, you can generate financial reports with just a few clicks. Popular reports include the profit and loss statement, balance sheet, trial balance, cash flow statement, and general ledger reports. These reports provide valuable insights into the financial health of your business. Because NetSuite stores data in real time, managers and accountants can access updated financial information whenever they need it, helping them make informed decisions based on current business performance. By using these features regularly, you can efficiently manage your accounting processes, improve financial accuracy, and keep your business finances organized with Oracle NetSuite. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and